Good day, sir and madam. I am Rodeline M. Policarpio, 38 years of age, from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I am married, separated for almost 7 years, and I have 2 children ages 17 and 15 years old. My highest educational attainment is the high school graduate. I am a trustworthy, loyal, patient, honest, and a hard-working woman. I worked before in Kuwait for 5 years, and my first employer, I worked with them for 3 years, and in my second employer, I worked with them for 2 years. I take care newborn baby. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, washing the plate, and when the baby are asleep, time to time, I go to the baby room and check with them. If you hire me as your helper, I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities inside your house. Thank you.